So you're looking to replace your heavy stock OEM hood for the Kia Stinger in favor of the lighter and flashier carbon fiber hood from ARK Performance. In this video, we're going to show you how to do that. First, you're going to want to open the hood using the latch inside and underneath the hood. Now that you have the hood open, you're going to want to remove the shocks using a pick tool and inserting it into the metal clamp. Do this for the bottom and the top. With the shocks removed, grab two friends and unbolt the hood from the hinges with your 12mm socket. Once unbolted from both sides, carefully lift your Stinger hood off of the car and set aside. The S-FX hood features a stylish yet functional hood vent in the center of the hood. Underneath is a rain guard that is easily removable with a Phillip head screwdriver. Remove the 7 screws and expose the vent. Go ahead and insert your rubber hood stoppers from your OEM hood, and you're ready to install. While this hood is light enough to install with 2 people, we recommend the use of 3, just to avoid damaging anything. Carefully lift your hood into place and install the supplied bolts into the holes. When tightening down the bolts, be sure to leave them loose enough for adjustability purposes. Also, make sure there are no tools underneath the hood before you close it. Now you may have a hood that is a little sunken in, or off to one side or the other. Go ahead and open the hood, adjust your rubber stoppers, and then close it again. Now if your hood is off to one side or the other, this is where leaving the bolts loose enough comes into play. Go ahead and adjust your hood into the position that you want it. And then open it and tighten it down. Congratulations, you have just installed your ARK Performance S-FX hood for the Kia Stinger.